Hello friends, welcome back to Let's Grow. In this video I will share the accident and little bit footage I have, and it is very difficult because the file is very heavy. Before the accident there was a train. Here you can see the WAG 9 double yani twin loco. This is WAG 9 WAG 9. Basically WAG 9 is used to carry the heavy load, and there is a station, Balasore station. So the incident happened near the Balasore. There was a two train. One is Howrah Salimar to Chennai Express, and the second one Bangalore to Howrah Yashwantpur Express. Friends, this video based on imagination. I don't have any idea the exact reason, but it is only for learning purpose. So let's see the video.